We did maximum elongation and maximum compression.
सर वो केस हो गया, अभी 3 केस बाकी है.
मेन केस हो गया है, आपने बोला था.
No, you gave this the velocity of u. M1 and M2, you gave this the velocity of u. First of all, left side everything will be with respect to ground. There are two perspectives. This will be with respect to COM. First of all, we'll have to find out the velocity of center of mass. We'll have to find out the velocity of center of mass. It will be M1u. Do one thing. You make this M, make this 2M. Make this 2M, make this M. Mu upon M plus 2M will become U by 3. Do you all agree with that?
Yes, sir.
Now, velocity of this with respect to center of mass. Center of mass is moving with U by 3. What is the velocity of 2M with respect to ground? 0.
0.
Velocity of, I'll call this A, I'll call this B. Velocity of A with respect to center of mass. Velocity of A is
Minus velocity of
velocity minus velocity of center of mass.
Yes, sir.
It will be U minus
U by 3.
2 by 3, 2u by 3.
2 by 3. This will be moving to the right with a velocity of 2u by 3 with respect to center of mass. Velocity of B with respect to center of mass will be 0 minus u by 3. This will be minus of u by 3. This will be moving backwards with a velocity of u by 3.
Yes, sir.
Now recollect, there was one confirmation that we had to do before we proceed. Vector summation of momentum of all the particles in the center of mass frame of reference will be
0.
What is this momentum? 2m into u by 3. This momentum m into 2u by 3 in the
Yes,
opposite direction.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
till
sir.
here we are safe and we are correct. So far, so good. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I have taken very convenient numbers. Over convenient numbers away.
Good, sir.
Next example, metaphor.
Okay, listen. Case 1. I'm starting from the center of mass frame of reference for specific reason. Specific reason. Have a look at it. Somebody standing on the center of mass will observe these two blocks start moving towards each other with a velocity of 2u by 3 and u by 3.
Yes, sir.
2u by 3 and u by 3. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, gradually, this u by 3 and 2u by 3 will decrease. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, as the velocities are decreasing from u by 3 to 0, to u by 3 to 0, there is one thing that's happening in between. I have taken very convenient numbers. Q bola maine. This number, incidentally, at the start itself is equal to the center of mass. This u by 3 at the very start itself is equal to u's velocity of center of mass. क्या दिक्कत है यार आपको? Let it be. Problem is case 1. Velocity of B with respect to ground should become 0. B comes to rest with respect to ground.
Oh, acha, yes, sir.
Yes.
B comes to rest with respect to ground. It doesn't come at start itself, it is at rest with respect to ground. Why? Have a look at it. Velocity of B with respect to center of mass. plus velocity of center of mass with respect to ground. I'm getting back my answer, velocity of B with respect to ground.
Yes, sir.
क्या कर ले यार, उल्लू बना रहे हो, जीरो से ये कैलकुलेट किया है तो रिवर्स कैलकुलेशन करने से जीरो ही तो आएगा ना यार.
हाँ, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? It appears very simple when I slightly complicate the numbers here. At the start, B will not be at rest. At the start, I'll give velocity. I'll give to you here or to you this way. So then what happens? B comes to rest with respect to ground after certain time. Here it so happens that at time t equal to 0, B is at rest with respect to ground.
Yes, sir.
In the next example that I take, it will take some time to come to rest. A will not come to rest. In this first half of the journey, A will not come to rest. Why? A and center of mass are in the same direction velocity, right? Velocity of A with respect to center of mass plus velocity of center of mass with respect to ground is velocity of A with respect to ground, which will not be zero ever. Both are in the same direction.
Yes, sir.
So velocity of B with respect to ground is zero at the initial start. At the initial start. Initial start. Right? This is case 1. Under these circumstances, what is the velocity of A and what is the velocity of B? This will be U and this will be 0. So case 1 is by default the initial start of the problem, which will not be the case always. In another 15 minutes, circumstances will change. Right? I have taken oversimplified number. Fine with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So when I write case 1 here, when B is at rest, when B is at rest, A is moving with a velocity U. A moving with velocity U. Now I come to case 2. What will happen in case 2? These velocities are decreasing. 2U by 3 is decreasing to 0. U by 3 is decreasing to 0.
Sir, they'll decrease only with respect to center of mass, right? Not with
That's why
respect
I'm
to.
doing here, right? This is
Yeah.
with respect to center of mass.
Yes, sir.
Right? They are decreasing and they will come to rest with respect to center of mass. Case 2 will be maximum elongation, maximum compression, maximum compression, maximum compression. In maximum compression, what will happen? In maximum compression,
So they'll come to rest with respect to that.
half mu VR square will go into half kx maximum whole square.
Yes, sir.
Half mu VR square will go into half k x maximum whole square. How do you simplify this? This will be half and half will go m into 2m upon 3m is equal to k into x maximum whole square. X maximum is equal to 2m by 3k with a square root. VR I forgot. What is VR? U minus 0 whole square. So VR will be U square. So this will be U square. VR is the relative velocity of B with respect to A or A with respect to B. What is case 2 in this particular case? Maximum compression. Maximum compression, when will it happen with respect to ground? Mu
Both move with same velocity.
M plus 2m into V common. V common is U by 3. Half m U square plus half 2m 0 square is equal to half 3m into U by 3 whole square plus half kx maximum whole square. X maximum you simplify, you will get the same answer. Case 1 and case 2 have become very simple for us because of the numbers that we have taken. Right? I'll go to case 3 first to take it down till here.
So the lower part of the board is not visible. Yes, so visible now.
This is with respect to ground, that is with respect to center of mass.
But sir, this was done last time.
Really, लिखो.
So find max compression theory notes.
लिखो. I know what I have done. I'm summarizing all the cases in this. Take it down.
सर सर have you ever thought कि अगर बिटकॉइन का रेट कभी नीचे चला जाएगा तो आपका सारा इनकम मतलब उड़ जाएगा?
Teaching is the only profession where we will never feel poor. Trust me. It is the only profession where we always feel rich. I have got students placed in so high positions that I will never be poor.
बहुत अच्छा सिस्टम है सर आपका.
सर अगर बिटकॉइन का रेट नेगेटिव में चला गया तो आपको देना पड़ेगा ना हमें.
इसका नाम क्या है?
ध्रुव सर
Sir,
आपसे
ध्रुव,
बड़ा
sir.
बैंक पैसा लेने की कोशिश कर रही है.
सर आपका पार्टनर है ये, आप वो भी देगा
Sir,
आपके
नाम
साथ.
कैसे भूल
नहीं,
गए? Sir,
अपने दिमाग में वो पार्टनर है.
लिखो.
Sir, can you explain case 1 with respect to C1?
Velocity of this body with respect to center of mass. When it is equal and opposite to the velocity of center of mass, then velocity of B will become 0. Velocity
Yes.
of B with respect to center of mass. Less velocity of center of mass with respect to ground. So when these both are equal and opposite, B will be at rest with respect to ground.
Yes, sir, got it. Yes.
And then what we are supposed to do, because how will you find the velocity of A at that instant? Momentum should be equal.
Yes,
So by
ma'am.
default, you will get that case 1. Here,
Yes,
case
sir.
1 turns out to be the case at the start. Can I rub the board?
हाँ सर.
हाँ बोला कि ना बोला आपको?
हाँ sir.
Yes, sir.
Now there is a case 3. What is it? What actually happens standing in the center of mass when you are observing the problem? First, these both came to rest with respect to center of mass. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Both came to rest. After that, what do you think will happen?
So they'll start moving outwards with some velocity.
They'll start moving outwards. Something important is happening. Please pay attention. Hope the camera is properly adjusted.
Yes, sir.
Have a look at this. In general, if this wall is fixed, you have a block like this. If this wall is fixed, you gave this a velocity of u. On its way back, when it is traveling with a velocity of u, will the spring be at its natural length?
No, sir. It will get compression.
No, sir, it will get
Right.
Sir, at the same point, it will be at its natural
The
length.
same point.
You have
was
given a velocity of u. It goes back and comes back to this point. On its way back, when it is crossing with a velocity of u, at this instant, will the spring be at its natural length or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That happens because this point is at rest.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
It
sir.
happens because the other point is at rest. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
what is case 3? Case 3 is when spring comes to natural length. Spring comes to natural length. Comes to natural length. And when will spring come to natural length? When, with respect to center of mass, with respect to center of mass, after coming to the maximum compression on its way back, this will acquire u by 3 and this will acquire 2u by 3. With respect to center of mass, if these both masses acquire the same velocity as that of the previous case, here it was in natural length. On its way back, when these two masses are moving with the same velocity, the spring will again be at its
Natural length.
Natural length.
length. Right? So this mass you are calling as B, this mass you are calling as A. So here spring will be at the natural length. At that instant, what are the velocities with respect to ground? Velocity of A with respect to center of mass plus velocity of center of mass with respect to ground is velocity of A with respect to ground. Do you agree with that?
Yes, sir.
This is minus 2u by 3 plus u by 3 will be minus u by 3. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, velocity of B with respect to center of mass plus velocity of center of mass with respect to ground is velocity of B with respect to ground. U by 3 plus u by 3, 2u by 3. So that means you are telling me from here, case 3, that spring will again be at its natural length when this is moving to the left by u by 3, this is moving to the right by 2u by 3. This is what you are telling me. Could you please confirm by the solving the problem with respect to ground? Obviously, yes. Watch out for this. What is the initial momentum? mu. What is the final momentum? ma into va plus mb. mb is to m, ma is m into v. One equation, two variables. I need one more equation. What is that equation? Half mu square
Half
is
m square.
half m va square plus half 2m
2m vb
square.
square.
B
Why
square.
are you not writing half kx square?
So natural position.
Natural.
No compression.
Natural length, right? At natural length, half kx square will be 0. You
Zero.
have two equations and two variables. Calculate and verify if you are getting these two or not. I am waiting for your pick.
Sir, sir.
Ah.
So can we say that the velocities have switched with respect to center of mass?
Not always will that be the situation. Here I have taken very convenient numbers. Next example I take, you will see the difference.
Okay, sir.
Yes, I cross-checked again the same answer.
Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सर मुझे दो डाउट्स है वर्क पावर एनर्जी के, तो सर आप लास्ट में ले सकते हो डाउट्स।
हाँ Can I rub the board?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now what happened? The person standing on the center of mass, first he sees them moving inwards. Then they come to rest, that is maximum compression. Now he sees them going backwards. Right? Now he sees them going backwards. Now you missed one case in between before this is reached. You missed one case in between before this state is reached. This person is moving to the right with velocity u by 3, center of mass, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Case 2 के बाद, what is case 2? When both of them have come to rest?
Yes, sir.
On their way back, before this reached to u by 3, A will pass through u by 3 or something.
Yes, sir.
Yes, unnecessary.
आपको u by 3 से इतना प्यार क्यों है भाई साहब? Center of mass is moving with u by 3 and A is moving back with u by 3 with respect to center of mass. So
Yes.
velocity of A with respect to ground will become
0 at one point.
So before case 3, I forgot one particular case. Here temporarily you will write it as case 2A. Case 2A. 2A. Because this should come before case 3.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
A comes to rest. A comes to rest with respect to ground. How will it come to rest with respect to ground? After maximum compression, when it is going back, when this velocity is u by 3 and center of mass is u by 3, don't you think A is at rest with respect to ground?
Yes, sir.
You understood why I named it as 2A? This will come before natural length.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Mass acquires from zero, the mass is acquiring 2u by 3. So it should cross a value called u by 3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, when this,
2B, right?
when this is passing with u by 3 velocity, what will be the velocity of this? M into u by 3 should be 2m into Vb, because vector summation of momentum of both should be 0.
Zero.
How much is
Yes, sir.
Vb?
Yes, sir.
Vb is equal to u by 6.
6.
That means this will be u by 6 at that instant with respect to center of mass.
Yes, sir.
Now, velocity of A with respect to ground is 0. How much is velocity of B? Velocity of B with respect to center of mass plus velocity of B with respect to center of mass
Center of
with
mass
respect to ground is velocity of B with respect to ground. B with respect to center of mass is u by 6. U by 3. This will become 6.
3u.
U by 2.
U by 2. That means B's velocity will be u by 2 when A comes to
Yes.
Yes.
rest. Now 2A. How will you do it with respect to ground? Observe this carefully. Case 2A. A comes to rest. A comes to rest with respect to ground. It's quite easy here. Why? Momentum m into u plus momentum of this 0 should be m into A came to rest. Fluid will be moving with VB, yes or no? A
Yes,
came to
sir.
rest. So how much is VB equal to? U by 2. Suppose he is asking what is the compression in the spring at that instant? No big deal. You
Yes,
know the
sir.
initial energy, you know final energy. At this instant, what is the compression in the spring? Half
The-
m square is half 2m into u by 2 whole square. As half
K
kx square. I get the value of x. As simple
Yes,
as it.
sir. Yes, sir.
This case comes before case 3, hence I named it as case 2a. It was my mistake that I forgot this before case 3. Be very clear about that.
Have you seen yesterday on the newspaper?
What a circular motion paper.
Sir, work, power, energy and circular.
हाँ देखा है. It's quite tough.
अरे
सर आप डराते हो ना, आपने लास्ट
सर आप हमेशा ऐसे करते हो सर.
तो
आप बोलते हो
motion
टफ
के
होता
time
है
पे
लेकिन इतना टफ नहीं होता है.
आपको नहीं
I found this paper 1 or 2 problems to be really tough. 1 or 2 very easy. Balance decent enough, but you will find 1 or 2 tough problems. ऐसा नहीं कि पूरा पेपर सॉल्व कर लो.
सर टफ
नहीं,
प्रॉब्लम
सर, हमारे
सर्कुलर मोशन के
हमारे बैच
वर्क
में कुछ
पावर.
सर ऐसे एक बिटकॉइन एक्सचेंज अग्रीमेंट साइन करना है क्या सर?
नहीं.
रिकॉर्डिंग बंद कर लो सर. जितना बिटकॉइन
पूरा
चाहिए.
बैच कंट्रीब्यूशन करेगा.
हाँ
हाँ,
सर,
सर.
कंप्लीट कर देंगे सर.
मेजर टेस्ट के लिए कम से कम ट्रेडिंग किया तो समझ में आता है. टॉपिक वाइज टेस्ट इज डोंट ब्रिंग इट डाउन टू स्कूल लेवल.
सर, क्या सर
टॉपिक वाइज टेस्ट का पेपर के लिए क्या ट्रेडिंग करोगे यार?
सर, ये तो क्या सर स्टार्टअप खोलेंगे सर आईआईटी बॉम्बे से सर. सर जेई का पेपर लीक करवाना था, ऐसा थोड़ी है.
सर हमारा
के
क्रिसमस
लिए
गिफ्ट.
बिटकॉइंस देने से टॉपिक वाइज टेस्ट के लिए
सर टॉपिक वाइज टेस्ट में कौन है सर? नहीं सर.
सर ठीक है सर. बिटकॉइंस नहीं, यूएस डॉलर्स दे देंगे या वेनेजुएलन डॉलर्स दे देंगे सर.
अरे बट क्या
सर
मैटर
जितना वेनेजुएलन डॉलर चाहिए ना.
हर सब्जेक्ट का लेक्चर इसी तरह डिसरप्ट करते हो या सिर्फ मेरे लेक्चर करते
आप इतने दरिया दे लो सर. आप अलाउ करते हो.
ये होता है सर.
गलती मतलब गलती मेरी.
नहीं सर, आपसे बात करने में मजा आता है.
अच्छा. Concentrate, get it done. Let us complete this first.
हो गया सर कॉपीइंग.
Sorry, doubt.
बोलो बोलो.
So in the second case, with respect to COM, in case 2A, so the with respect to the ground, the velocity of A will be 2u by 3, right? Because the direction are opposite. It's u by 3 minus u by 3.
So A comes to rest.
So with
U
respect to
by
ground,
3. Nahin. Velocity of A with respect to center of mass plus velocity of center of mass with respect to ground is velocity of A with respect to ground. Velocity of A with respect to center of mass. Velocity of the boat with respect to the river plus velocity of the river with respect to ground is velocity of the boat with respect to ground.
yes, sir.
Velocity of A with respect to center of mass plus velocity of center of mass with respect to ground. So velocity of A with respect to ground. Now do the same thing. Velocity of B with respect to center of mass plus velocity of center of mass with respect to ground. Summing up of both, how much are you getting?
Okay, sir. Sorry.
Now after this was case 3. What was case 3? Both are moving in opposite direction from u by 6 to u by 3. It reaches 2u by 3 backwards, u by 3 backwards. That was the natural length of the spring. So far, so good. Yes or no? After the natural length, what happens? Are you people there?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
After the natural length, its velocity starts decreasing and they come to rest. That will be maximum elongation.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That will be case 4. Completing the cycle. Maximum elongation. In maximum elongation, both M and 2M, they will come to rest with respect to center of mass. They will come to rest with respect to center of mass. Half mu VR square is half K X maximum whole square. Value of X maximum for maximum compression and maximum elongation will be same. Case 4. Case 4, this will be mu is equal to m plus 2m into V common. Remaining is conservation of energy. Will you be able to complete?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
U by 3.
Make it fast. I'll take slightly complex numbers to explain the same concept to you again.
So this new test portal site, that's also made by Pace only, no?
No.
Third party.
खराब नहीं होगा ना?
आज ट्रायल हुआ है. जब तक शाम को सीनियर बच्चे कांटेक्ट करेंगे मुझे पता चलेगा.
Okay, sir.
सर मुझे गिल्ट मतलब गट फीलिंग आ रहा है कि सर कल टेस्ट
कल
नहीं
क्रैश
होगा.
होगा.
ये
सर मुझे भी वही लग रहा है.
यार gut feeling
गिल्ट कैसे होगा वो?
सर वो
इसको गिल्ट है.
बोलने जा रहा था सर, गिल्ट निकल गया मुझसे.
बहुत बदमाशी करते हो यार.
Sir, wait.
So do we need to write this because last class हमने same ही derive किया था.
Okay, no problem. But make a note that that is case 4 maximum elongation.
Yes, sir.
Now listen, We will make one change in this, which will, now I give velocity of u to this and velocity of 2u to this. 2m. B mass is 2m, A mass is m. Right? Now consider this. This is with respect to ground. With respect to COM, what will be velocity of center of mass? 2m into 2u minus m into u upon 3m. Why minus m into u? Direction. This will be 4 minus 1 is 3. So this will be u. Velocity of center of mass will be u. Now watch out for this. This mass is m. This mass is 2m. Center of mass is moving with a velocity of u. This is A, this is B. Velocity of A with respect to center of mass will be velocity of A minus velocity of center of mass. Somebody in between was asking this relative velocity, this equation. Velocity of A with respect to center of mass is VA minus VC. With respect to whichever velocity of finding out its velocity, it should be subtract. VA minus VC. What is VA?
Minus u.
Minus u. Minus VC is u. Minus 2u. That means this person on the center of mass will see this moving backwards with a velocity 2u. Velocity of B with respect to center of mass is VB minus VC. VB is 2u minus u. This is u. That means this person will be seeing this moving towards the right with a velocity of u.
Yes, sir.
So far, so good. All of you clear about it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So,
Now comes the case 1. Person standing on center of mass will see both the blocks moving away and they're slowing down. So somewhere down the lane, they will come to maximum elongation, and at maximum elongation, velocities of both the blocks with respect to center of mass will be 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It comes to 0. Will this reach a value of u?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Why are you so keen on u? This is the velocity with respect to center of mass. Velocity with respect to center of mass is u in the backward direction, implies with respect to ground it will become.
Zero.
Zero.
So case 1 is A comes to rest. A comes to rest. You understood how did I realize that that happens first? From 2u it should reach 0 with respect to center of mass.
Yes, sir.
From 2u to 0 बीच में u तो आएगा.
हाँ, sir.
Yes,
यानी
sir.
कि क्या फर्क पड़ेगा आपको? U with respect to center of mass implies with respect to ground. Is it A has come to rest?
Yes, sir.
A has come to rest with respect to ground. So,
Sir,
uh,
sir, how velocity of B is u to u? Sorry, it's u, right?
what did he ask?
How is the
There is velocity of A
U?
to u, right? So it will be minus 2u minus u.
Somebody help me understand his doubt.
Saying velocity of A with respect to COM, it is minus 2u by u, right? Minus 2u minus.
Minus 2u, right? Huh?
Yeah,
उसके बाद
minus
क्या
2u
आएगा?
minus u. No, it should be minus 3u, right?
yes.
Because velocity
No,
of A
no,
is
no,
minus
no.
2u.
Minus to u is the
Velocity of A is
velocity.
minus u, not minus
Oh,
2u.
already
ये
है.
जो 2u लिखा है वो with
अच्छा.
respect to COM है.
Velocity of A minus velocity of C. What is velocity of A?
Minus u.
Minus u.
Center of mass.
Fine.
Minus u.
Minus u.
U. So minus u minus of plus u. Minus 2u. सही बोला. This is velocity with respect to center of mass.
We thought that 2u in the diagram
Yeah,
is the
sir.
velocity of it.
Yeah.
With respect to ground is not clearly.
सर उसने उधर नहीं देखा, राइट साइड आप फोकस कर रहे थे ना, इसलिए उसने उधर देखा होगा.
Okay, now is the doubt clear?
Yes.
Now listen. From 2u, this observer will see the block's velocity is decreasing. So this should reach 0, this should reach 0 for maximum elongation. But before that, something important is happening.
The C will also come to rest.
Before it reaches 0, it will cross U, and that U is with respect to center of mass.
Yes,
So
sir.
with respect to ground, it will become
Yes, sir.
0. So when it becomes 0, have a look at it. Then I want to find out the velocity of V with respect to ground.
Summation of momentum.
Momentum ma into U. Why? Because this will reach a velocity of U, right?
Yeah.
Momentum with
Yes, sir.
respect to center of mass should be equal to this momentum with respect to center of mass VB, because sum of these both momentum should be
0.
0.
VB will become how much? U by 2. This is the velocity of V with respect to center of mass. Velocity of V with respect to center of mass plus velocity of center of mass with respect to ground is velocity of V with respect to ground. V with respect to center of mass is U by 2 plus U is 3U by 2. That means when A came to rest, what was the velocity of V with respect to ground?
3 by 2.
3U by 2.
3U by 2. Solve it with respect to ground. With respect to ground, what is your case 1? Case 1 is A comes to rest. A comes to rest. A comes to rest means what is the total momentum? Minus mu plus 2m into 2u is equal to m into, this comes to rest, 2m into Vb. 4 minus 1, 3mu is equal to
Yes,
2m
3U
into
by 2.
Vb. Vb is equal to 3u by 2. Case 1, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
The problem is, I will recognize the case 1 by looking at from the center of mass spectrum. 2u velocity as it is decreasing, this is with respect to center of mass. It will reach a point where it will be u with respect to center of mass. So summation will become 0 with
Yes, sir.
respect to ground. This is case 1. Once you are done with it, I'll go to case 2.
Done.
So last half an hour, will you continue teaching or will you take doubts of assignment?
Doubts Lena, yaar, we cannot keep it pending, but neither can I leave it half the way. Let me see.
So तो खत्म कर दो, अगले लेक्चर में कर लेंगे doubts.
देखेंगे, let's see what best we can. ये बीच में नहीं छोड़ सकता हूँ. All the cases should be over for this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this cannot be left half the way through, but let me see. What is the time now?
Relax.
So 12:54.
12:55.
Plus 10. हो जाएगा, तब तो ये हो.
So now with values changing, the cases will also change.
Natural. What is more
None.
important in this is, after this I will make one small change in this. Number of cases also will change. Not always will you have 4 cases or 5 cases. That will also be seen.
So ये हो गया.
Okay.
Sir, wait. So you have to identify, right? This case will happen, right? Because from 2 it will slowly become 0. So you have to identify.
Naturally,
Okay, sir.
So you have to find a compression in the spring. We again conserve energy in with respect to ground, and then we can find.
Yeah.
Done, sir.
No, they were moving back. This reached a situation where it has velocity of u, right?
Yes, sir.
There will be an instance where both of them will come to rest with respect to center of mass. That will be case 2. I call it maximum elongation. In maximum elongation, both A and B will come to rest with respect to center of mass. Agree? So, in the center of mass frame, half mu VR square. VR square is 2u minus of minus u. Whole square is half kx maximum whole square. Half mu VR square. VR are the velocities with respect to ground. Right? That I will get kinetic energy with respect to center of mass frame. U mu. How much is mu? Mu is m into 2m divided by 3m. This will be 2 plus 1, 3. 9u square is equal to k into x maximum whole square. 1m will get cancelled. 3 ja. X maximum is 6mu square by k. Am I right?
Yes, sir. We have already done this.
Now, when you are solving with respect to ground, case number 2, maximum elongation, case 2, m into minus u plus 2m into 2u is equal to half 3m into v common whole square. Okay. Momentum, m plus 2m into v common. Conservation of momentum. Conservation of energy, half mu square, half 2m into 2u whole square is equal to half
Kx square plus
3m into vc square plus half kx maximum whole square. From this also x maximum you should get the same value. This
So
will
last
be
slide done this problem only.
exactly. Yeah. Now there is a case 3 which will happen. Now both blocks have come to rest with respect to center of mass. On their way back, when they acquire this velocity of 2u and u, spring will be at its natural length.
Yes, sir.
Take it down till here, I'll go to case 3.
So done.
Someone will.
So we will do the natural length case right now.
Right.
Or can we try?
I will give you the problem. 1 second. Wait, let me solve this. Case 3 will be when case 3 spring comes to natural length. When will spring come to natural length? On its way back with respect to center of mass, it should acquire the same velocities which it had in the initial situation. With respect to center of mass, it should have same velocity but in opposite direction. That means it is on its way back. Now, why with respect to center of mass? You told me that this side wall should be fixed. When you are describing with respect to center of mass is fixed. So center of mass is fixed. You gave it a velocity of u. On its way back, it will come back to the natural length. Do you agree with that?
Yes.
Now spring comes back to natural length. Now what are the two velocities with respect to ground now, A and B? Velocity of A with respect to center of mass plus velocity of center of mass with respect to ground will be 2u plus u. This will be 3.
Yes, sir.
Case 4 is superimposing with case 3. What is case 4?
B at
B
rest.
coming to rest
Rest.
and natural length. Both are happening simultaneously. It is a mere game of numbers. Here what's happening? Velocity of B with respect to center of mass plus velocity of center of mass with respect to ground is velocity of B with respect to ground.
Yes, sir.
Velocity of B with respect to center of mass minus u. Velocity of center of mass u. 0 are right in A.
Yes, sir.
So case 3 and case 4 are superimposing on each other. Both are happening simultaneously. What is case 3? Spring coming to natural length. Right? And case 4, B coming to rest with respect to ground. Both are happening simultaneously. Case 3, natural length. Case 3, spring coming to natural length. At natural length, your first equation will be 4m into u minus m into u is equal to m into Va plus 2m into Vb. First equation. Second equation, half m into u square, half 2m into 2u whole square is equal to half m into Va square plus half 2m into Vb square. Natural length will have no half k, it's a square. Two equations and two variables, you should get 3u and 0. Velocity of A with respect to ground is 3u and that will be 0. Case 4 is B coming to rest. हो गया कि नहीं?
Sir, एक minute.
Yes, sir.
Case 4 लिखोगे. Here you will write. Case 4 is B coming to rest, which overlaps with case 3. Both happen simultaneously.
हाँ सर, हो गया.
Sir, when we solve that quadratic with respect to ground, that we get two roots. BB is equal to 0 and the
Obviously,
other one.
initial condition भी आएगा ना यार.
हाँ,
Initially also, the spring was at its natural length.
natural length. हाँ sir.
Technically, case 4 should be the situation when B comes to rest. Because now B and A are moving in the backward direction with respect to center of mass. When this velocity is equal to this velocity, B comes to rest with respect to ground. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now case 4 is overlapping with case 3. Please write case 4. B comes to rest, overlaps with the above case. Case 4, B comes to rest, overlaps with the above case. B comes to rest with respect to ground. And what is case 5?
Maximum compression.
Maximum compression, you know what is to be done and we have already done.
Yes.
Make a note of that also here. Case 5, maximum compression.
Taking B common and then
B comes to rest is case 4. Case 5, maximum compression. Maximum compression with the value of maximum compression will be the same as that of maximum
Elongation.
I will skip this part. I'm expecting you people to do that. Make it fast. I'll change the problem and you will do the complete analysis. Can I rub the board?
Yes, sir.
All possible cases, I will wait for you. With respect to center of mass, I will get it. By the way, what is the velocity of center of mass? 4mu plus mu upon 3m. This will be 5u by 3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
With respect to center of mass, which is moving with 5u by 3. Velocity of A with respect to center of mass is velocity of A minus velocity of center of mass. How much is velocity of A? U minus 5u by 3 minus 2u by 3. That means this should be moving to the left with 2u by 3 with respect to center of mass. Velocity of B with respect to center of mass is Vb minus Vc is 2u minus 5u by 3. This will be u by 3 plus of u by 3. Verify if my calculation is correct before you proceed. How? Momentum of this and this and the center of mass frame should be equal and opposite. 2mu by 3, 2mu by 3. I am happy till here. Case 1, what will it be? Case 2, what will it be? Case 3, what will it be? Is your judgment.
And so we have to judge the number of cases also, right? How many there will be.
Obviously, that's what I'm telling you. Case 1, what will it be? Case 2, what will it be? Is your judgment.
सर 3 ही केस बनेंगे क्या?
हम्म
अच्छा सर, थैंक यू, वरना पूरा सम बिगड़ जाता। यस
हाँ
सर।
सर, 2 केस को तो कैंसिल आउट कर ही दिया, नहीं हो पाएंगे।
Yes.
So we have to solve with respect to both, ना?
yeah.
Okay sir. Sir COM का
In this
अभी
problem, the beauty is from 2u by 3, this will keep decreasing from u by
यस सर,
3
तो फिर
to
2 केस
zero.
छोड़ ही गए।
till
It
both
will
come
never.
to rest. Till both come to rest.
Yes, sir.
It will never reach 5u by 3.
यस सर।
Yes, sir,
Yes.
no,
By
case
3 is
cancel.
going to 0. 2u by 3 is coming to 0. In between, I don't have 5u by 3. So neither of them will come to rest with respect to ground.
Yes, sir.
So 1 minute.
और कंप्रेशन के बाद भी कुछ नहीं होगा वैसे।
Sir.
So maximum elongation होगा, natural length आएगा, फिर maximum compression आएगा।
Compression होगा।
इसमें
Maximum
तीन
elongation
cases
is
हैं।
equal to.
Sir, 1 ही second.
Sir, and maximum elongation will be equal in magnitude to maximum compression, right?
Naturally, that happens every time. Every
खाली
time.
sign change होगा।
इधर भी वो 6u square by 3m का रूट आ रहा है।
नहीं, इसमें अलग आएगा।
नहीं, इसमें 2/3 आ रहा है।
U square by 3 KR.
Yes, sir, यही आ रहा है।
वापस कोई रिपीट कर सकता है मैक्सिमम एलोंगेशन का? चेक करना।
2m U square
करूँगा
by
वो
3
पर 1 मिनट रुको, मैं करूँगा। Let the others also finish there.
सर आप चेक कर सकते हो, मैंने चैट में आंसर।
I don't know the answers here. I gave arbitrary. So case 1 will be when both come to rest. U by 3 will become 0. This will become 0. Half mu VR square 2u minus u whole square is half k x maximum whole square. Half and half will go, m into 2m divided by 3m into u square is k into x maximum whole square. X maximum is root over of 2mu square by 3k.
Yes.
So far so good. Case 1 is maximum elongation. Here obviously case 1, when you solve 4mu plus mu is equal to 3m into v common, half mu square plus half 2m into 2u whole square is half 3m into v common whole square plus half kx maximum whole square.
अरे हाँ, इसमें होगा।
क्या?
नहीं नहीं सर, नेचुरल लेंथ में के एक्स 0 हो जाएगा, सॉरी।
Case 2 में natural length on its way back. Case 2 में on its way back it should have this velocity and this velocity. Once again you will be able to see that this will never reach 5u by 3. This will never reach 5u by 3. maximum velocity B and A has got is u by 3 and 2u by 3. They will never reach 5u by 3.
Yes, sir.
Right? So A and B coming to rest with respect to ground does not happen in this problem. That's the beauty.
Yes, sir. So for natural length, actually, center of mass will be the best way to solve it because there's no quadratic equation also in two variables.
Exactly. For natural length, can I rub this case one?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Case 2, natural length. Natural length. In natural length, what should happen? Small m should be moving to the right with 2u by 3 with respect to center of mass, and 2m should be moving to the left with u by 3. Same initial velocity in opposite direction. Same initial velocity of both with respect to center of mass, but in opposite direction. Now this is A, this is B. A and B with respect to ground will be velocity of A with respect to center of mass plus velocity of center of mass with respect to ground, velocity of A with respect to ground. This will be 2u by 3 plus 5u by 3 is 7u by 3.
Yes.
Velocity of B with respect to center of mass plus velocity of center of mass with respect to ground is minus u by 3 plus 5u by 3 is 4u by 3.
Yes, sir.
The case 3 will be maximum compression. Maximum compression will be the same as that of this. And
Yes,
here
sir.
in natural length, what do you want me to do? Mu plus 4mu is equal to m into Va plus 2m into Vb. 2m into Vb. Half mu square plus half 2m into 2u whole square is equal to half mVa square plus half 2m into Vb square. Natural length, so half kx square is 0. Case 3 and case 1 will the values will be the same. That's maximum compression.
Yes, sir.
Is this complete analysis clear to you people?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So class notes is your only reference for whole of this will be summarized.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Out of inquisitiveness, what do you think will be the next concept we deal with in the next class only? But what will be the next concept?
Sir, 3 blocks.
सर
Yes,
आपने बोला था ना COM रेफरेंस में लोगे आप मतलब प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करो.
यही तो
यही तो था।
यही तो है
सही है।
अरे हाँ अरे
सर पूरा पढ़ा लिया और ये पूछ
अरे
सर
बट
सर चेयर पे बैठ जाओ सर
तब तक के बिटकॉइन।
सर चक्कर ना हो जाए बैठ जाओ आप।
सर क्योंकि
बहुत जल्दी सफेद होते जा रहे हैं। जल्दी भी नहीं कि 50 साल में
सर पूरा क्लास सीओएम रेफरेंस
उससे तो इन्फिनिट बिटकॉइंस मांगना पड़ेगा।
सर और टफ समझोगे शायद से
तो आज क्या कर रहे थे यार हम?
सर COM रेफरेंस में बट सर सब समझ आ रहा है इजी भी लग रहा है तो सर मुझे
सर
लगा
ये
और
कैसा लॉजिक है सर? समझ में आ रहा है तो फिर क्लास में पढ़ नहीं रहे हम लोग।
नहीं वो भी एक पॉइंट है. There is one instance where in center of mass frame you will feel the heat. After the class you put oil on your head, it will evaporate within seconds.
सर मेरे भाई ने बोला था कि बहुत हार्ड है सेंटर ऑफ मास इसलिए मुझे लगा और मतलब होगा कुछ और एडवांस
और है but no, I am asking in this relation I want to see how much of a foresight you people have. What will be the next concept I cover? सोच के बोलो.
Sir, is it vertical?
Sir, does it have to do anything with friction?
फ्रिक्शन ऐड होगा इसमें।
तो नहीं ऐड होना चाहिए।
पुली सिस्टम
क्या?
पुली सिस्टम
Sir,
Till now in कोई कुछ बोल रहे.
no, sir, I was asking, will we add friction to these problems? Will we get problems where there's friction in this also?
It will slowly die down यार. अगर friction दिया तो maximum elongation and maximum compression will not be the same because energy will dissipate,
So, but then we can't use conservation of momentum, no?
right?
Because external force है.
अभी क्या करेंगे?
Till now, listen. Till now, I didn't apply any external force on these blocks.
Okay.
Now I will pull one of the block. with
Yes,
the
sir,
constant
got it,
force
sir.
and a variable
Realistic
force.
क्यों है sir?
I can pull one block. I can pull both the blocks with same forces, different forces, so on and so forth. Time varying forces.
Oh, acha, sir, there were questions like this in tests on Panacea for work, power, and energy. So that concept we'll now cover next class, right?
Work power energy में क्यों आएंगे वो?
Sir, I don't know, but there were वैसे ही
Yeah,
सवाल.
it was
collisions के भी
हाँ, sir,
problems
थे
आते हैं
इसमें.
power energy में.
हाँ सर
So that would have been combination of work power energy and conservation of energy.
Yes, sir.
Now
तो वो
here,
कभी कर सकते
I start applying a force of F on it. I start applying a force of F on it. Right? That F I can apply on this. I can apply 2F on this. 3F, 2F I can apply. Or I apply a force which is time varying. Right? That
Sir,
will be in the
matlab-
next section.
Sir, mean we'll do acceleration of center of mass na instead of velocity.
Perfect. Till now for you, center of mass is moving with uniform velocity.
From velocity.
What if center of mass is accelerated? आई बात समझ में?
Yes, sir.
सर मन कर रहा है वो वापस काइनेमैटिक्स के पहले लेक्चर में चले जाए.
Sir, मन कर रहा है vectors
हाँ,
vectors में चले.
मुझे भी मन करता है एलकेजी यूकेजी में जाकर एबीसीडी सीखे.
सर चलेगा वो भी
Always
करेंगे.
remember this is the golden rule. As you pass by, your past will be very melodious for you. Every time you will be in a hurry to grow, आपको लगेगा I should grow up early. But remember, you are having the golden period of your time, and this applies to every day of your life. The day passed by, you will feel was a much better day for us.
Yes, sir.
सर अभी EMI में हम लोग को लगेगा कि कोलिशंस बहुत अच्छा था.
ऐसा होने वाला है.
जाओगे उछल उछल के जाओगे फिर लगेगा यार बचपन ही अच्छा था.
Sir, vector is the best topic, sir.
वेक्टर्स नहीं, कैलकुलस. वेक्टर्स में फिर भी थोड़ा टफ पूछ सकते हैं.
There will be instances in magnetism where subtraction of two vectors के लिए तरस जाओगे. नहीं होगा.
मैथ्स में आएगा ना वो.
मैग्नेटिज्म में I tell you two vectors subtract करना है बस. फाइट मारते रहोगे it will appear so very complicated. Two vectors का subtraction ही तो है. You will see that day also, don't worry.
सर मैंने आपको 2 सम भेजे सर, आप प्लीज सॉल्व कर सकते हो?
भेजो बोलो.
सर सम भेज दिया है ऑलरेडी सर, और एक बार
उसने ग्रुप पे भेजा है सर, मेन ग्रुप.
तो 1 मिनट रुको, मुझे खोलने में 2 मिनट लगेगी. व्हाट्सएप खोलने में 1 मिनट लगेगा.
सर तो आज थोड़े अच्छे सम्स करते हैं वर्क पावर एनर्जी के टू प्रिपेयर फॉर टुमारो.
कोई डाउट्स पूछ रहा है?
सर ये रेजोनेंस के डीपीपीस काफी अच्छा है ये वर्क पावर एनर्जी के लिए.
सर बहुत अच्छी है सर, उसमें ओलंपियाड्स के भी क्वेश्चन थोड़े दिए.
किसमें
सर रेजोनेंस की बुकलेट में टाइम मिला है तो
ऐड कर दे.
हाँ
ग्रुप में भेज दो, सारे बच्चे सॉल्व करेंगे.
यस सर.
रुको डाउनलोड हो रहा है. एक कितने पेज भेज रहे हो आप डाउट्स? वो ग्रुप में सारे भेजो. अच्छा. अरे नहीं रुको, 5 मिनट के बाद भेजो. पहले डाउट्स तो डाउनलोड होने दो. डाउट्स भी इतने सारे भेजोगे तो एक ही बार डाउनलोड नहीं होगा. हाँ, क्वेश्चन नंबर बोलो बेटा।
सर वो वाले में 91st
8, 9, 10, 11 दिख रहा है मुझे।
8 9 सर हाँ सर 9th क्वेश्चन तो सर इसमें मुझे 20 आ रहा है बट ऑप्शन बी दिया है पता नहीं।
9th question, right?
यस सर।
A 10 kg small block is pulled in the vertical plane along a frictionless surface in the form of an arc of radius, circle of radius 10 meters. The applied force of 200 Newton is shown in the figure. If the block starts from rest at A, speed at B. Listen, this tension will always be tangential to this surface.
Yes sir।
ये निकाल दो। You're pulling with a force of F.
Yes sir।
Right? ये एंगल कुछ दिया हुआ है। एंगल कितना दिया हुआ है? 60 degree. And here is the block. This will be the string. This will be T. ये तो किया है हम लोगों ने। Work done by this force which is always tangential.
ये सर किया है बट सर एक बार खाली चेक कर सकते हो क्या आंसर में तो?
आंसर कितना आ रहा है आपको? Half.
सर
Work done by gravity. See what are all the forces acting on it. Do I have any radius? This is the radius. This is tension. This is mg. Tension will be the force applied, right?
Yes sir।
Force का वैल्यू कितना दिया हुआ है? 200 Newton. 200 Newton. So net total work done by mg plus work done by this external force is tangent kinetic energy. Half mv square minus 0. Work done by mg. How much is this height? This is r. R minus r cos 60.
Yes sir।
mg r into 1 minus cos 60. With a negative sign. Plus work done by this particular force. This into ds. This will be theta. So f into ds cos theta. ds cos theta, will it be this length?
Yes sir।
Yes or no?
Yes sir। Yes sir।
How much will this length turn out to be?
Sorry।
This is r, this is r, this is 60.
So can you explain this ds cos theta part?
This we have done in the class. Have a look at the class notes. That integration करने के बाद आपको ये distance ही आता है.
अच्छा okay।
F into this is how much is this particular distance? R 60.
R sin
R ही होगा ना?
R ही होगा.
R ही होगा।
Half mv square. If we have done our calculations correct. Force का value कितना दिया है? 200. Right? R कितना दिया हुआ है?
Sir 10
meters. 10 meters. Mass कितना दिया हुआ है?
Sir 4 sorry 10 kg sorry sir 10 kg
10 kg 10 kg. Initially it's starting from rest. So make this 200, make this 400, remove this 2. 10 will go. Right? This is minus 200 plus 200 cos 60 plus 400 is v square. क्या करवा रहे हो यार मुझसे? Cos 60 is how much?
root 3 by 100
1 by 2 1 by 2
Half.
अरे half
Half into 200, 100.
100 sir
500 minus 200, 300. V root over of 300.
sorry sir अरे
Multiplication करवा रहे हैं मुझसे.
सर हमें भी इतनी बुद्धि चाहिए सर।
सर पता नहीं मैंने क्या root 3 by 2 सर पता नहीं चला क्या मिस्टेक।
हाँ cos 60 root 3 by 2 डाला हुआ.
हाँ सर सर मिस्टेक हो गया।
सर एक cos 60 के लिए पूरा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करवा दिया।
अरे सॉरी सर।
आज सुबह शायद किसी बैच में किसी बच्चे से ये sin a plus b 2 sin a cos b पूछा, वो बच्चा हिल गया सर, मैं कंफ्यूज हो गया सर, डर गया सर। sin a plus b कैसा भूल सकते हो यार? Even if I put you from the top of a building and you are falling, at that instant I ask you sin a plus b. Even at that instant you should be able to tell me.
सर sin A cos B plus cos A sin B.
Right. 2 sin A sin B का formula?
So 2, so sin A plus B, also cos A minus B by 2 minus cos A plus B by 2.
सर आपने क्या बोला 2 sin? सर सुना
Sin A
नहीं।
sin B.
हाँ सर तो बराबर।
Next question 90 कुछ बोल रहे थे।
सर 91st।
मुझे तो 91st दिख ही नहीं रहा है।
तो सर वो सर तो 19th क्वेश्चन होगा शायद सर। इन द फिगर शोन बिलो masses of block।
In the figure shown below, masses of block A and B are 3 kg and 6 kg respectively. The force constant of spring S1 and S2 are 160 Newton per meter and 40 Newton per meter. Length of the light string connecting the blocks in B is 8 meters. Length of the light string connecting the blocks is 8 meters shy, if it is visible properly to me. The system is released from rest with the strings at their springs at its system is released from rest with the springs at its natural length. Maximum elongation of spring S1. Among this, which is S1?
So that
So the one on the left is S1.
Now this mass is given to be how much?
sir 1 second. 3 kg.
This mass is given as how much?
6 kg.
6. Sir. Springs are its natural length and the total length of the string is 8 meters दिया हुआ है. Total length of the string is 8 meters, right?
Yes sir.
K is given, the force constant of the springs are 160 and 40. Am I seeing it right? This is 160 Newton per meter and this is 40 Newton per meter. Am I seeing it right?
Yes sir.
Now, what did he ask? Maximum elongation of the spring S1 will be. This is S1, right?
Yes sir.
6 kg block will go up, this will go down and this will go up. Maximum elongation, पूछ रहे हो. Maximum elongation happens when they come to rest.
Yes, so velocity is 0.
Yes sir. Velocity.
Loss in potential energy here. If I call this to be X, this will be X. Agreed?
Yes, so string constraint.
String constraint.
So why did he give 8 meters? Probably he's confusing you people. Loss in this potential energy is mgx minus 3mgx. 3mgx. Loss in gravitational potential energy should go into the elastic potential energy of the spring. Half
Yes.
x square plus half a x square. Now both are released from the unstretched position, right?
Yes sir.
Yes, so.
Listen to putting this question. 3gx is equal to half. No, this is k1. This is k1. This is k2. Right? 160 plus 40 into x square. 1x will get cancelled. 60 divided by 200 is equal to x. 6 by 20. 3 by 10. 0.3. The problem will not be this easy here. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है question में.
So the closest answer is 0.294, and that I guess will come if you take G as 9.8.
Answer verify करो.
Sir 86.
So I'll do 0.3 divided by 10 into 9.8. करता हूँ.
Answer 0.294 or not.
Into 9.8. Ah, sir, it's coming 0.294 if you take G as 9.8.
इतना आसान होगा क्वेश्चन.
हाँ सर, ओलंपियाड का वो भी.
वाह सर
बहुत ही आसान क्वेश्चन है.
हाँ सर, मुझे भी ऐसे लग रहा था कि मतलब by the face of it you have to just put velocity is equal to 0 and conserve initial and final energy.
वो भी नेचुरल लेंथ दिया है.
हाँ वही सर.
इनिशियली कम से कम एक स्प्रिंग इनिशियली कंप्रेस्ड दिया हुआ होता तो थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेट हुआ.
Because you can't cut the x, then you have to make a quadratic.
He gave both natural length, मतलब whatever elongation you have here, so much of a compression you have here. बहुत ही आसान हो गया. That cannot be an Olympiad stage 1 question. हो नहीं सकता. It should have been an split. And see, that is psychological. It's playing with the psyche. They wrote their Olympiad, so you start thinking more. कुछ ज्यादा होगा, कुछ ज्यादा होगा. नहीं.
वही मैं कॉम्प्लेक्स का सोच रहा था, बट एक्सट्रीम हाँ सर यही दिया है, वही डाउट आ रहा है.
कल का पेपर इससे डिफिकल्ट है फॉर श्योर. कल का पेपर is much difficult than what you have solved right now.
So both the sums or only one sum? Both the sums or only this sum?
सर ये क्वेश्चन
तो हर क्वेश्चन टफ है. Every question is tougher than this. उतना तो बता रहा हूँ.
अच्छा ठीक है
आसान क्वेश्चंस तो नहीं दिया हुआ.
ठीक है
सर ओलंपियाड में ऐसा क्वेश्चन सर सोचा नहीं, इसलिए सर हो गए.
Generally that is bias, human bias. When I saw the question, I also thought इतना आसान नहीं होगा. अब आंसर देखा तो सही है. अब that's psychological. Human nature. Nothing.
तो दूसरे वाले भी कर सकते हो.
दूसरा क्या है बोलो.
So there's one, so Kara sent one. So question number 994. A block of mass 2 kg approaches a spring of stiffness K is equal to 80 newtons per meter.
इसका solution दिया हुआ है DC पांडे का.
So you can there use some equation which you do not know, like sine का कुछ तो equation है.
हाँ सर कुछ गंदा सा इक्वेशन.
Listen, we'll come to this in a section. Basically, this is the second order differential equation called d2x by dt squared is equal to minus omega square x. इसका solution will be x will be a sin omega t plus y.
हाँ सही यही है.
Right? This will be taught to you. If that equation has to be used, just keep this pending because these problems are for practice at the end. They're subjective. So this you keep it pending temporarily. Very soon you will be doing.
Okay, so
All the next one as well.
91st question also that.
The power problems are there. Don't watch that. Saying the booklet power problems are
सर थोड़े से पूरा क्वेश्चन पेपर ही लीक करवा रहा है बंदा आपसे.
We will continue in the next class. All the best for tomorrow's exam.
Sir, that 91st question you can solve it.
है 91st आसान नहीं. You will be able.
Okay sir, thank you so much.
Somebody is saying Merry Christmas. Say Merry Christmas to all.
Bye sir, thank you sir.
Bye.
Merry Christmas.
Bye.